pickleball, purple pickleball. Okay, that's memorable. You're not going to forget it.
I love alliteration.
If you're saying it at home, I'm sorry. Yeah, right. And it's appropriate too for a really great cause.
Yeah.
And nice weather out there. I know Madeline's not complaining about being outside right now.
If you're playing pickleball today, this is the perfect time to get outside and hit some balls with your paddle. So here's a look at that pickleball forecast. Temperatures in the 60s early on, but we are going to make our way into the 90s, which is pretty hot out there on the court. The wind will be light, which is a bonus for those outdoor courts out at Al Cruz. But if you're looking ahead to the weekend, it is going to be a tiny bit cooler, but not by much, right? We're still looking at hot conditions with high pressure really dominating. That means it will be sunny as well, so don't forget the sunscreen. Humidity is going to stay in check, and we do have a weak front that's going to impact our weather on Wednesday. So you'll notice the dew point really falling into that comfortable level on Wednesday. So we're not bad. We're low humidity right now. It drops into the comfortable range on Wednesday and even Thursday, but we're back right there, a little humid as we head into the weekend forecast. Look at these temperatures for the weekend. We'll be right around 90, possibly upper 80s for our high temperatures. Lows will get a little bit warmer with a little bit more humidity. We'll be back in the upper 60s, but Wednesday night into Thursday, we have a pretty good shot at being in the mid to low 60s overnight, which is going to feel really nice and pleasant. But this afternoon, first we have to get through the chance of getting another record high. We tied the record yesterday. There's a chance we do it today. Right now we're going 1 degree cooler than that record high, however, but 97, that's 10 degrees above our average high, which is pretty wild if you think about it. Now, I mentioned there is a weak front. Yes, that front is going to slide south, but it's really going to weaken as it does so. This is also what is tapping into Hurricane Milton and steering it toward Florida as we head into Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. That's when we're anticipating landfall. You can see the heavy rain, the tornado threat increasing throughout the day on Wednesday for Florida. Meanwhile, we are nice and dry, no rain at all in our forecast. The hurricane crosses over the Florida Peninsula. It does lead to a storm surge threat on the eastern side of the state as well before it continues out to sea and weakens there into the Atlantic. High pressure is still dominating. This is our weekend forecast. Now, there is a chance for another front heading into early next week, but it doesn't look too strong either at this point. When it comes to rain, as I mentioned, we stay really dry. The heavy rainfall is going to be associated with Milton. You can see it approaching the Florida Peninsula as a weakening Category 4 hurricane. Heavy rainfall anywhere between Fort Myers, even Miami, and up toward Jacksonville, Florida. Very heavy rainfall across the central part of the state. Meanwhile, for us, nothing at all. Even as we continue to look ahead with that weak front passing through into early next week, still not much hope for rain until maybe mid-October, so we'll see. But right now, locally, we do have some impacts on from Milton. It's going to be for our beaches. High rip current risk and minor coastal flooding is anticipated now through Friday, so please use caution swimming at our local beaches. Those waves will be running about 2 to 4 feet throughout the next 3 days, which is pretty high for us. Additionally, those periods in between the waves are going to be longer, and that allows the rip current to be even stronger. So we do have an alert for the high rip current risk. Sunshine for days, that's all we've got. So keep your sunglasses handy. We are going to see temperatures a little bit cooler as we head into the weekend, but not by much.